Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. For you guys today. Guys, today I'll be making jerk chicken, Jamaican jerk chicken. You don't know. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications so you won't miss another awesome video like this one. And to all my fluffies that's returned back to my channel to check out my awesomeness, you don't know, you are number one. You are number one. Guys, I'm so excited about this jerk chicken. This is gonna make you lick your fingers. Make sure you wash your hands first, because you know there's corona going around. Okay. Anyways, guys, also if you want to donate to the channel, everything will be in the description down below. Follow me on my social medias, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. They'll also be down below in the description and at the end of the video. So make sure y'all stay tuned and watch that entire video, baby. Let's get into this awesomeness. Jamaican jerk chicken. Yay. Bye. Alright, guys. So this is everything that you're going to need to cook up your jerk chicken. Okay, in the oven. I got 4 pieces of drumstick, 4 legs right here. I already cleaned them, so they're looking pretty. I got these from Publix. I don't know if the Publix got the best chicken, but you can get chicken anywhere. I got some habanero pepper. I got this from Publix as well. They don't sell Scotch bonnet, so that's what I'm working with. I got some brown sugar. You can use light or dark brown sugar if you want. And I got my mild Jamaican jerk seasoning. I also got this from Publix in the international section. So you can check that out at your grocery store, your local grocery store, and see if they have it. And I got my sofrito. I'm gonna add that in there as well. My adobo. You don't know, everything's better with adobo. And y'all already know everything. I put ketchup on everything, okay? So I'm putting a little bit of ketchup on there as well. And I got my Maggi. Be careful with this, because Maggi is salty. Salty. And I got my minced garlic. Guys, right now my oven's already preheating right now. It's on 350. So while I'm doing this, I get my oven ready. I got my complete seasoning right here. Life is better with complete. And I got this chili powder that I've been rocking with forever. Like this thing, I'm gonna do it. And I got some black pepper as well, just in case if this thing is not too spicy, which it should be, but want it real spicy. And I got my sazon. And I'm gonna add a little bit of browning in there just to give it some color, since I'm just doing it in the oven. And a little bit of vegetable oil. Okay, doesn't know the skin already have a whole bunch of oil on it, but just a little bit, okay? Whoa. I need to get a spoon. Let me zoom in on this. Oh no. I take that back. I probably won't use the sofrito because this thing probably expired. So this is gone. That is gone. We're not using that. Woo. Y'all heard that pop, right? So I'm going to go with my adobo. Not too much because, remember, I'm just making 4 pieces, okay? So you want it too salty. I thought I had another one. Oh, here it is. I had one that was open. Pop a bottle, make your bottle water. Alright, and I'm gonna put my sauce on, Saison, whatever you want to call it. Just put this all over the chicken. Y'all think this is a lot of seasoning. Honestly, it's not that much. I just added just a little bit of adobo, my sazon. Now I'm adding my complete. And everything's gonna offset when I start adding the sweetness and then the spicy. So now I'm going with my minced garlic. I got this from Walmart, I don't know. Just a little bit. Then I'm gonna add my jerk seasoning. Woo! Jerk it up, jerk it up. I'm gonna do 1.5. Even though this mild, this thing is spicy. I don't know where they get this from, but mild. Now I'm gonna go with my chili powder. All right. I'm gonna sprinkle some black pepper all over this. Now I'm gonna just put a little bit. I'm just put some in the cap. I'm gonna just drizzle this over it. Woo! Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Now I'm gonna go with my browning for show. Same thing with this. I'm just put a little bit in my cap. Let's sprinkle this. Whoa. Now I'm gonna add some ketchup. This is gonna be the sweetness that's gonna offset the spiciness. Just a little bit. Then I'm gonna add my little brown sugar. All right, that's enough. About a half teaspoon. Now the favorite part. Usually I add the whole thing in there, but let me see. I don't know how I'm feeling, cause it's jerky. The jerk seasoning is already spicy, like super spicy. All right, so I'm gonna just use half of this. Okay, half of that. So this is it. Whoa, it looks so pretty and colorful. Hold on, cause I'm gonna marinate this up real good. God, this thing gonna sell off. This thing gonna taste so good. Anyways, after I marinate it, mix it up and everything, I'm gonna marinate it for about an hour. I'm gonna put it aside so it can rest, soak up all of the goodness. Yo, look at this. No, sir. This thing gonna burn you up. Spice is life. Yo. Yes, yes, yes. Woo. Y'all, let me wash my hand because I gotta zoom. I gotta show y'all close up on this. Let me get up in here. Ooh. Alright guys, so this is it. You see how that look nice and well seasoned up? Anyway, so I'm gonna put this aside for about an hour or so, 30 minutes to an hour. Then I'll be right back. I'm gonna just throw it in the oven. I'm not gonna cover it with any aluminum foil or anything. I'm just putting the oven and then that will be it. Let the oven do its thing. Alright guys, so my chicken is ready to be put in the oven. And I just got this little old beat-up pan, but it will do. I'm just doing four chicken legs. So this pan is kind of big, but oh well, oh well. This gonna have to do. This gonna have to do, baby. Woo. So I'm gonna just sprinkle all this juice all over it. Y'all, this thing gonna be spicy and delicious. Whew. So what I'm gonna do is hold on, guys. So I'm gonna cook it for 30 minutes and then flip it over and then cook it for another 30 minutes. Okay? Okay. I'm gonna just put this in the oven. My temp is on 350, like I said before. I'm not gonna cover it up or anything. I'm just put it in there like that. Yeah. Alright guys, chicken done. Look up on it. Look how beautiful this thing look. Y'all, this thing gonna taste so good. Guys, and that's how simple it is to make jerk chicken in the oven, guys. Simple. I'm gonna put this on a plate and I'm gonna come back and just show y'all the good old presentation. Alright guys, this is the finished product. Y'all, this thing smells so good. This house smells so good right now. If you guys are still here watching this, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this quick, simple, easy, delicious jerk chicken recipe. Hey. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.